Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Danny, a digital illustrator, planner enthusiast, and creator of digital and sometimes physical goodies. Here, I love sharing my creative process and a little peek into my business life. I'm so happy to be back with you. After taking a wonderful maternity leave to cherish every moment with my little twins, I'm here to dive back into my passion for digital planning. It's been a beautiful experience learning how to juggle motherhood, and now I'm super excited to share my journey and more in my digital world. Today, we are going to plan my January month together using my very first monthly planning pack, featuring adorable space-themed digital stickers, lovely labels for the month and days of the week, and even a PDF for the month that comes with weekly pages. Whether you are a digital planning pro or just starting out, I got you covered. Let's kick things off by unveiling the amazing contents of the January planning pack. It includes the Space Adventures digital stickers. I created 22 cute illustrations that celebrate the wonders of the universe. You will find everything from rockets to sparkling stars that add a cozy and charming touch to your digital spaces. The pack also includes 2 beautifully designed styles of labels for the month and the days of the week, so you can personalize your planner easily and make everything pop. Now, if you don't have a fully fledged digital planner yet, don't stress out. This simple planner is designed especially for beginners. It includes the January calendar with linked weekly pages, making it easy to navigate as you dive into the world of digital planning. Alright, let's get started on planning. I want to set up my January month and decorate it with my stickers. When I open my planner, the first thing I do is select some fun stickers to give my spread a vibrant feel. Here is my title for January, and I like to make it a bit larger so it stands out. I'll hide the default January title to create my own cozy vibe. What do you think? Once I'm happy with it, I can arrange the labels for the days of the week. Now, here is a little trick I love. I resize all the day labels at once. Super handy, right? I'm zooming in to make sure everything fits perfectly. Look at those cute colors coming together. As my planner starts on Monday, I like to make my weekends visually different. I usually give Saturday and Sunday a splash of color and sometimes add a decorative box to differentiate them from the weekdays. It makes it easier for me to spot my weekends at a glance. This January, I'm also marking a local holiday on Monday, January 12th. It's fun incorporating personal details, isn't it? Now, let's get creative with my stickers. I head over to my Goodnotes file to grab the stickers from my Space Adventure collection. I love using these cloud stickers at the bottom as a fun border. And look, I'm using some stars to sprinkle around the calendar. It's such a quick way to make everything feel festive and vibrant. The best part about digital planning is how easily you can move things around until it feels just right. As I go along, I'm jotting down special events. I have a family reunion on January 3rd, which is particularly exciting because we'll be celebrating my cousin's engagement. I'll add a cute sticker to mark it, making it a fun highlight on my calendar. And oh, I cannot forget the birthdays this month. There are several celebrations coming up, including one of my best friend's birthday on January 28th and my dad's birthday on January 31st. Now that my first calendar is beautifully decorated, it's time to move on to my second January calendar. For this one, I'm using the lovely night clothing labels, which have that dreamy aesthetic perfect for a cozy vibe. I'll start by copying over the title for January and aligning it. The soft blues and gentle cloud illustrations create such a calming effect. I'll resize the labels for the days of the weeks to fit perfectly on this calendar, ensuring everything looks cohesive. Just like before, I'm all about having fun with it, so I'll sprinkle in more digital stickers from my collection to enhance this nighttime feel. This dreamy ambience of this calendar will help highlight my personal achievements and joys, making it feel even more magical. I remember how last year I often felt overwhelmed and unproductive at times. That's why this year I'm focusing on not just the big tasks, but also celebrating every little win, whether it's finishing a book, spending quality time, or even just enjoying the chaos of raising twin toddlers. For instance, on January 4th, I started reading a book gifted to me for Christmas. I'll note this down so later on I can see how long it took me to finish it and reflect on my reading journey throughout the month. Now, let's dive into the weekly pages. I'm copying the labels for the days of the week. This is such a fun process as it really brightened up my weekly view. I'll resize them just like I did for the monthly spread. It's essential to make everything look cohesive, and I love how it adds that extra charm. For this first week of January, I want to make the layout fun and inviting. For each day, I'll map out my key events like appointments for the kiddos, personal goals, and reminders for family activities. It really helps to have everything laid out, especially as a busy mom. To make my weekly pages pop, I like to add a fun sticker or two for each day. Maybe a cute rocket for a motivational boost, or a cute planner to remind me of my goals for the month. For this week, I'm adding the text vacation mode, since during this time we are out of town spending time with my family. I can already feel the motivation building up just by decorating. Now, another personal touch I like to add is journaling my experiences. I plan to incorporate a space in my planner where I jot down moments that made me smile or things I'm grateful for. Let me know if you would like me to show you how I'm journaling in my digital planner as a twin mom with not so much time in my hands. As we wrap up our planning session, I'll take one last glance at both my monthly and weekly spreads. It's all about finding that balance between decoration and functionality. And just like that, my planners are ready for January. If you're new to digital planning, don't stress. Just start where you are. Have fun with it. And remember that there is no right or wrong way to arrange your planner. Let your creativity shine. Before we finish, I want to remind you that my January planning pack is available in my online store and I have made it just for you. It includes everything we talk about today: the space theme stickers, the labels, and the PDF planner. Since you have been so supportive, I'm sharing a special discount code on the screen. This way, you can grab your own pack and start your own planning adventure. Thank you for spending this time with me. It felt so wonderful to connect with you after my break. I can't wait to share more tips, tricks, and planning fun throughout 2026. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really means the world to me. And don't forget to subscribe for more fabulous content and surprises I have lined up for this year. Let's embark on this journey of digital planning and journaling together. See you next time and happy planning, everyone. Bye bye.